Hi guys, welcome back to Art by Jennifer. Those subscribers that I have already, welcome back guys. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. This week I'm going to be doing what is called a waterfall pour. I've seen a couple videos about it. I've never done it before. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, stick around. So like I said, guys, this week we're going to be doing a waterfall pour. This is a 10 by 12 canvas, I want to say, or maybe a 10 by 10. I'll put the exacts down in the description below. But this week we're going to be using Ceramcoat Satin in Tangelo. So tangerine yellow. And then the rest of my paints are Artezas. This is Arteza Mars Brown and Arteza Sangria Red. And this is in my cup, this is Arteza, what is this? Mars Orange. So it's like that pretty orange color right there. But anywho, we're gonna put these paints together and get them on the canvas and get started. So guys, this week I think this paint turned out pretty darn amazing. At first I was worried about how my colors were going to play together, and then they started playing together and I fell in love. So this is my first fall piece. I'm actually going to do a series of about 4 of these pieces over the next 4 weeks. That's what you will see with these colors in particular. Not necessarily just this style per se, but definitely in these colors. So if you guys want to see something different, let me know in the comments. Again, so if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you smash that subscribe and like button. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell so you get notifications of whenever I put up a new video, which is every Sunday. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!